afternoon, everyone. Good evening, sorry. Welcome to our special edition, the Carson edition. Shout out to Mr. Carson for this prize from the raffle. It's the 2020 NBA Champions Lakers. And 3 Skybox pack. Okay, let's begin the Skybox. Okay, first, tick pack. Wow, white. It's with Wayman Tisdale, Kelly Tripucka, like Luka, Kevin Edwards, Kendall Gill, rookie, nice. How much this, $1. Armand Gliam, rookie here, Armand Gliam, William Bedford. What's this? Loy Both. What year is this? 80s, 60s? Brad Doherty. I like this Brad boy. Brad boy, my boy. Gary Grant. Featuring Magic Johnson. Tom Hammonds. Special card. David Robertson versus Hakeem Olajuwon. Best single game performance block. Nice.
Hakeem, the dream.
Daniel Valentine. Nice. We will sleeve that special card. I call it a special card. I'll put in my PC. Done.
Bakit to cardboard?
Cardboard.
Special to. Parang hoops.
Let's see.
Gary Grant, Aslim.
Let's see, featuring Magic Johnson. Ito, Magic Johnson. Okay.
Ouch!
Lucky it's protected. It's okay. It's well protected. Okay, next. We have Daniel Valentine. Happy Valentine's. Winston Garland.
Darius Garland's father.
Trent Tucker. Chris
PJ
Tucker.
Tucker.
PJ Tucker father. And Jerry Cummings. He's coming to town. Okay, next. We have the inaugural edition Skybox.
Same kami.
Hope we can have a Jordan.
Skybox.
Hope we have some Jordan or special. It's a brown card. Brownish one. Glenn Rivers. It's Coach
Doc
Coach Doc. He came from Hawks. Tyron Nix. The brown side like a gold side. Dan Marley.
Bakit Trae Young yun?
Look like Trae Young.
Ay, ganun.
Look like Trae Young. Dan Marley. Valet Divac.
Yeah.
I like
Special
Valet
yan.
Divac. Yeah.
Si Trae Young.
Stuart Gray.
Actually, sikat to dati.
Yeah. Dan Marja.
Dan Marley.
Suns na.
Joe Dumars. Muggsy Bogues.
Ito, Dumars. Sikat.
I like it, Muggsy Bogues.
Ito Dumars, ayaw mo na. Ito mo yun.
Pistons.
Dilly Rod.
Siya yung...
Sam Bowie. I like Sam Bowie. Big man.
Sambawi ko yun.
Dave Corzine. Johnny Dawkins. Sounds familiar, Is he good?
Darren
Johnny?
Dawkins yun.
I like Ralph Sampson. Yeah, he's good one. Sampson. A classic guy. John Morton.
Jordan.
Larry Bird. Yeah, my bird.
Birdman.
Greg looks like Larry Bird also. Larry Bird, ah. Nice
Wide
hits. Gusto ko to si Larry Bird.
Good.
Okay, hits after hits. PSA
Mags mo
10, PSA 10.
PSA 10 nga. PSA 10 meron.
Ganda.
Oh, perfectly centered. No? Hindi masyado center. Heavy on the left. Heavy on the left.
Final, second to the last.
Bigat sa kanan. Kanan. Heavy on the right. Mas manipis.
Chidel Trent. Lester Connor.
May Jordan dyan. Gano'n si Jordan.
Kendall Gill.
Jordan.
Ang ganda ng picture na.
Sam Vincent.
Jordan.
Ooh, Manute Bol, my boy. Bol's
Giant.
father.
Manut ball. Nigeria.
Sam Perkins. Ah, nice, ah. Let's go Lakers. Delaney Rude. Frank Brickbowski. The last Balbowski. Ooh, rookie. Lionel Simmons. Father of Ben.
Stra yan si Ben.
Gerald Wilkins.
Father of?
It's the water you drink. Wilkins. Ito, new Stojo Brokovic, the first Brokovic,
From Russia.
daddy of Luka Doncic, Rodney McRae, Jeff Hornacek. Oh,
Uy.
nice. Alley-oop. David Greenwood. And Michael Winston Bennett. Okay, let's go to the champions.
Maganda.
Let's go. Lakers.
Yung galit yung dami. UP yung box.
I think this is the box that has been returned. This is the controversial box.
Yan na. Yan
Ito
ba?
yata.
Actually,
think-
yung Carson.
Ano pala?
Yan si Carson na sa
Ano ba yan?
August yung sa
Okay, sorry, my bad. Okay. Let's see our special Panini Lakers. Champion. This one will go to the album. It's the championship of Los Angeles Lakers.
Ang dami.
It's a tribute.
30 cards.
It's the Lakers banner.
2020?
Yes. Let's see.
Iba na naman yung papel.
Costas,
Ba't
the
simple
first
yung papel?
the first Atentecumpo with the championship. Avery Bradley,
80s na.
Devontae Kakok with the champion. RC, Contavious Caldwell-Pope holding the
I
championship.
see.
KCP, thank you KCP.
Yun. Goat.
The GOAT, Alex Caruso.
Backseat.
Caruso. Who's this? Quinn Cook.
Wine.
My boy, Anthony Davis. Jared Dudley. Ooh, Danny Green.
Danny Manny Green.
Oh, THT.
Steve.
Nice.
Rookie year.
Yeah, RC.
RC.
Dwight Howard. We're going another one this year. One more. And LeBron James. Yes. The champ. Kyle Kuzma.
Picture pala ng mga trophy.
Jabel
Kala
McGee.
ko yung mga laro din nila.
Markieff Morris. All
nasaan
champion.
Yung
This
Ba't
one,
dati
I think
kakabilang galaas nila,
Miami
di
Heat.
ba?
Miami Heat, I think.
Ganun.
Rajon Rondo.
Hindi ko na.
Oh, J.R. Smith.
J.R.
J.R. Swish. Dion Waiters. Nice. Frank Bogle, our coach. Going for second
Coach.
championship this year.
Frank
Good luck,
Bogle.
guys. Ooh, nice. Got this, Davis
Diba?
scores 34 points. Nice. Davis on a dunking post. Ooh, Rajon Rondo. Double-double. Playoffs Rondo. Ooh, LeBron James. Tyler Hero on the back. Yeah. Thank you, Tyler, for the championship. Ooh,
Sino ba kalaban?
shit.
Heat.
Davis shooting. Ooh, LeBron.
Ang liit pa ni Tyler Hero.
Ganda.
Nice.
Ang bata pa ni Tyler Hero.
Ooh, another LeBron.
18
Triple-double. In
Triple
clutch
double.
win. Oh,
Double.
nice. This one is a classic. Oh, is the dynamic duo. This year with Russell Westbrook. Sure hits, sure championship. Oh. Last time you can see them together. Oops. Blurry.
Yeah, what to?
No auto. Ooh, this is one special. MVP and Finals MVP and NBA champion LeBron James. And the team photo, nice. It's one all album going to album.
Ang photo album nyo.
Nice,
Ba't
congrats
tinawin mo si Everett?
Lakers.
Ba't
That's
tinawin mo
all.
si Everett?
So remember, don't be like me, boy. Just enjoy. Thanos snap.